Hello everyone! Good morning! It's nearly 12 o'clock in the afternoon here. So, happy Thursday guys! How's everyone? Well, I'm here with my son. We just left home few minutes ago because we are going out to walk. Today is a freezing cold weather. It's 0 degrees Celsius, but it feels like -4 degrees. So, as you can see, it's a frosty day today. Look. It's frosty, freezing cold weather and cloudy day. So ito pong mga ito ang medyo delikado kapag maglalakad. Kaya we are walking slowly para hindi po madulas. Kasi pag once na mano na po sila, they get dry. Nagiging slippery ang road. So, how's everyone doing? I hope you are all well, guys. I'm just showing you the view sa aming paglalakad. Oh, I forgot to bring my gloves. It's quite cold. So, I was awake early this morning, but I decided not to get up because I didn't sleep really well last night. So we are trying to cross the street now. So yun po. Ang ganda po ng meron kayong business na pinaparan dahil you have the chance to decide kung kailan kayo mag-get up ng bed. Pwede nyo kayo mag-create ng schedule. Kaya I'm grateful na I have this business with me. So ayan po uli. Hello Ninang, thanks for watching. Kumusta po? So ayan po yung way ko. Every day when I was working, mas mahaba pa po dito nilalakad ko. It took me maybe nearly 30 minutes to go to work. No matter the weather is. Pero ngayon po, I'm just grateful na I don't really need to get up early. Especially during this cold weather na you only want to stay in bed. Yan po frosty yung ating mga halaman, mga bushes. who is watching me right now, kindly comment below where you are tuning in from. And to those who are going to watch the replay as well, guys. So I think it's nearly 12. And the road is not really busy. So we are just walking para sa exercise dahil kasi pag malamig, kapag hindi kayo gumagalaw ay mas lalo kayong lalamigin. Kailangan mag-exercise every day. So yun po, yun lang po. It's just a quick go live, guys. And I hope you are enjoying your Thursday. And one more day is nearly weekend. And today is Thursday. I almost forgot. This is our webinar day, guys. So to those who are considering to have a second income stream or a plan B, you can do this while working full-time. And even though you are stay-at-home mom, this is for everyone, guys. Kasi very flexible naman po itong business na to. And may video-based training and a one-on-one mentoring. Oh, I forgot my gloves. It's quite cold, freezing. So yun lang po. My website is on my bio, and my son's website is KirstenAmpilocchio.com. So we have a live webinar later, and you can also watch the replay if you don't have time to watch the live. So that's all for today, guys, and have a lovely day, evening or morning, and ingat po, and God bless you all. Bye.